امریکی وزیر خارجہ ہلیری کلنٹن نے انکشاف کیا ہے کہ اسرائیل امریکا کو ہمیشہ اپنے مفاد کے لیے استعمال کرتا رہا۔ ایک تقریب سے خطاب میں انہوں نے کہا کہ جب وہ وزیر خارجہ تھی تب نیتن یاہو کہا کرتے تھے کہ اسرائیلی جہاز ایران پر حملے کے لیے رن وے پر تیار کھڑے ہیں، جس پر انہیں جواب دیتی تھی کہ گڈ لک۔
Right. When I was secretary, it was a constant, theme by Netanyahu and his then government, the then defense minister, Ehud Barak, the former prime minister. It was relentless. It was a constant push. I remember...
what would he say to you?
What?
What would he say to you?
He would basically say, you need to support us in attacking Iran. I remember one day, I was on the phone for hours with Ehud, with Bibi, with others, and they would say things like, our planes are on the tarmac, and I'd say, well, good luck. I mean, great.
You're saying you were being played
All the time.